were definitely in need of a new handheld portable vacuum. So I love having a little tiny one. I can run out to the car and suck everything up and the couch and whatever. So I recently ordered this. So I have this charged up. You will get a USB-C cord that you can actually plug this into a couple different spots. So this is gonna be your charging base. You can also just plug it in to the top of the vacuum and charge it there. They will give you this stand, which your different attachments can go on here. Then when you pull the vacuum out, this is what it's gonna look like. Let's put on this attachment. And oh, by the way, too, so this comes off. You see, you have a filter right here that you can clean. You have a HEPA filter right here, and then your regular silver filter. So this, if you just wanna do a quick dump of crumbs, you can just do it this way. If you need to do a thorough clean out and kind of clean out your filter, then you can obviously slide the filter out right here and change that. They do provide you an extra HEPA filter, which I thought was nice. And so I'm gonna put this on, and how I always remember, just line up the purple. All right, so let's try this out. I'm gonna turn, here's your power button, and then there's gonna be two modes right here. There's gonna be like a regular eco mode and then a max mode. So let's turn it on. Okay, this, you see where it says eco? And then this is your max mode. All right guys, so you see the crumbs all over my floor. It does on my seat. All right, final verdict on this. I really like this suction. It's strong enough to pull up the crumbs from the air venting holes, and it easily was able to stretch under my seat. So I am kind of picky with my handheld vacuums, and so far I'm quite impressed with this. You can see just from that front seat there, all the little food and junk and crumbs that it picked up. So it's a nice looking vacuum too, but the main point was I want this thing to suck. I want it to work good. And there's also the different, I think the brush will come in handy as well. Most of the time I will probably be using this, and mainly be using this in the car, but this is great for underneath the seat cushions in your couch and kind of the corners of the kitchen and those awkward places the little, your floor vacuum can't get as well.